Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Skype and you click. Here in this page of app and for you we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app, and if it's not working with you can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install again your application of Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.